the notes. Sir, I would like to request you if the rules can be followed, sir.
So I'm not reading, sir. I'm just refreshing my minds. So, sir, when it comes to figures, I have to check, sir, because it is not right for me to just, because I think no one here will be able to remember, to memorize the numbers when the numbers are great, sir. Okay, so there's no harm for me, sir, I think, to look at the numbers in order to make sure that the numbers I've given in the House is correct, sir. Yeah, I'm coming to the conclusion, sir. So among the northeastern states, Sikkim, sir, has the highest number of households with land, and from the total rural household of 88,723, there are 53, sir, 1,399, or 60% of the whole land, sir. So the state with the least number of household with land is Mizoram, followed by Meghalaya. Most of the land in Meghalaya is privately owned land, sir. Out of 4,85,913 households, there are only 1,16,723. That means 24% only whole lands in Meghalaya. So we used to feel proud of our uniqueness as far as the land holding system is concerned. And we used to claim that in Meghalaya, the land belongs to the people. But sir, when you look at the data, it speaks otherwise. So, land ceiling is required in our state to reduce economic and opportunities disparities. So, to ensure that wealth is not concentrated in few individuals, and to ensure that all citizens have access to appropriate means of subsistence and piece of land. So Article 38 of the Directive Principle of State Policy talk about reducing the disparities in income, status, amenities, opportunities, etc. Further, the Article 39 of the Directive Principle of State Policy aims to prevent the concentration of wealth in a few people. As mentioned earlier, sir, that land is a life. And there is a very popular saying that a tribal without a land is as good as dead only. So, sir, if there is no land selling, wealthy people will purchase the entire village worth of land. Land selling system will help put an end to landlordism practiced by large landowners and rich individuals. So, this is a serious issue, sir. When it comes to land, we know it was told by the world historian that one of the causes that drove the Jews to fight for their own state was their attachment to their ancient land. So, and on the 29 November 1947, when there was a resolution in the United Nations for the creation of a Jewish state, the Jewish people on this particular day, they prepared for a war. They told that war is inevitable for the Jewish people, because if the vote is yes in the United Nations, the Arab people will declare war on us. And if the vote is no, we will have to declare war on the Arab people in order to achieve the goal. So when it comes, therefore, to the identity, even names matters. Even names matters. So let me inform this August House that any community would love to prove his identity. David Green, when he was a scribe, he used to write news report, and at the end of the news report, he put his name, David Green. And when he looked and pondered about his name, he realized that no one would know that I'm a Jew. So therefore, everyone in the world should know that I'm a Jew. So he scratched the second name Green and replaced with another one, Ben Gurion. From that day, he told that I'll be known as David Ben-Gurion, who was the first Prime Minister of Israel. That is a kind of a mindset that the people are having in order to prove that they want to show their identity. And their attachment of land is one of the reasons that make the Jewish to get the Jewish state. So, sir, with these few words, I would like to resume my seat, and I would like to thank you once again for admitting this very, very important resolution, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.